We often throw the melted wax and busted as tea light candles, right? Well, I can show you how you can revamp an ordinary looking candle with this. With limited supplies, of course. All you need is silicone molds, wax crayons, small stainless steel spoon, paper napkin, and a candle. I'll be making some pine needle trees and birds. I'll start with melting little wax with very little green crayon in a stainless steel spoon. I'm melting it over a burning candle. It's brilliant if you have a spirit lamp. I certainly never thought I would need one. However, a candle works just fine. Let the wax melt well. It does take few seconds for the wax to melt. Someone rightly said, patience is virtue. Finally looks like we are getting somewhere. Now, heating anything over a candle will generate soot. That's where the paper napkin comes into picture. So wipe the base nicely before you pour the wax in the mold. I'm trying to shade the trees a bit by adding a hint of dark green. Fill in every corner properly. Remember, each time you get the spoon off the flame, you wipe the soot off to avoid it getting in contact with the wax. If you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe and press the bell button to get new video notification. Also show your support by smashing that like button and share my videos with your loved ones who could be interested in these kind of projects. And thanks so much for all those who have been supporting me till now. You guys are simply awesome. Now as the wax dries, it goes down slightly, so keep adding more wax until it's even. And here we have a beautiful wax tree, just like that. I made few more. Similarly, if you are making something that needs more than one color, then melt very little wax at a time and pour gently. Use a toothpick to work around. Only once the first color is dried, work with the second and so on. This is another way to add colors by using crayons directly on the mold. For smaller details, for instance the eyes, just melt a black crayon and take a tiny drop with the help of a toothpick. Hold it slightly closer to the flame if it doesn't hold the surface. Let's see how we can decorate a candle with these elements and how to make them stick on the candle. With the help of tweezers, hold the pieces over the flame, but make sure you don't hold it for too long. Gently place it on the candle and hold it in place. If you think it needs more help with sticking, then melt some wax and let it drip in between the candle and the element. You can easily clean the extra wax away with the help of a tweezers or a toothpick. There you go. You can arrange your candle in whichever way you like using this method. This is a simple way you can make use of melted unwanted wax and turn your plain candles into a piece of art. If you like this video, then please do give me a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know what you think of this idea. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and stay safe.